Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 5.3-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have HID headlamps, as well as 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires, and we have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear we have privacy tinted windows. At the rear we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel. We also have our easy lift and lower tailgate, as well as our corner steps. We also have a backup camera, and inside the box we have a bed liner, as well as 4 tie-down points. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings to the left, and our information trackpad and hands-free controls to the right. Up above we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, and our 40-20-40 arrangement provides room for a third passenger up front. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 48,961 kilometers on this beautiful Silverado. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps. The driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have 3 cup holders and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Silverado, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.